Guys, welcome back. Today what I'm going to share with you guys is how to create a QR code for your YouTube account and or your TikTok account. So we will actually start from the QR code on your XCS down here. So we will actually click onto the QR. So what you are required to do is to copy your profile on your Facebook. Sorry, not the Facebook. You can do it on your Facebook or your YouTube account. So for example, I'm going to copy my YouTube account. I'm going to copy and paste down here, right? And I will save them. So this is going to be your QR for your YouTube account, and your TikTok account, for example, I'm going to show you this screen down here. Okay, so this is going to be my TikTok account. So I will actually copy and paste my window aside, okay, and I will repeat this and I will copy, right? So this is going to be your TikTok account. Okay, so I'll put them here. Okay, if you want to go on your phone number, for example, so this is my phone number. Okay, so I will save them. Okay, so this is going to be my phone number contact. So anyone who actually scan on this QR, they can be able to direct to you. So for example, the YouTube, anyone who actually scan onto this QR will actually automatically direct them to your account. All right, so that goes same as your contact number as well. So anyone who actually scan onto your phone number QR, they can be able to contact you, right? So from here, what I will be able to do right now is I will set my power, 60% power, and this is going to be the engrave function down here. The speed that I'm going to go with is 120 millimeter per second. So at 100 lines per cm, right? And I will actually hit process. Okay, so this is going to be the 3 QR code for if you want to put it onto your product, right? So I will go into the framing. Okay, so I will actually frame my I will put my piece of wood or any product that you want to burn your QR. So what you need to do is you just put it onto your laser bed and we'll actually frame them. Okay, so we have put the piece of wood on the you can actually put it on anywhere, right? So I just put it onto a mat so that I can be able to grid it, and so that it can be able to align. So that is the purpose. I just put it onto a mat, right? So you can be able to see the beam down here. So that is the spot where you're going to start the engraving, right? So for this purpose, I'm going to do the framing before I will actually engrave it. So this is the spot, and I'm going to hit my power button to see the actual framing. Okay, so just to double confirm that it's actually it's going to be able to engrave onto the piece of wood that you have, right? So this is just basically just to give you a brief idea where it's supposed to engrave, right? So we will start the engraving on our XCS program. You just hit finish framing and you can be able to hit the start, right? Okay, so it's completed. So it's flat 9 minutes to engrave 3 of these QR codes. The power is 60%, the speed is 120 millimeter per second. So the size of this is 5 cm by 5 cm, right? So this is the one YouTube channel, the TikTok channel, and your contact number. So if you actually scan them using your phone, if you're using the iPhone, it will actually appear the number is right on your screen, right? So for this particular one is the TikTok ones, and this is the YouTube channel. So I hope you guys benefits from this little tutorial, right? I see you the next one.